everyone, start off by taking these two sticks, stick it together, make an entire frame out of it as such, and then add tape on one of the sides. Cut off the excess, and then afterwards take some green clay and then put it to the bottom of it. Spread it from the bottom to the top, and then you may also make these little wavy lines out of it. Take little balls of clay and stick them all around. Next, take some red balls of clay, small ones, add a different colored center to it and make flowers out of it. Next, in order to make this throwing stuff, we'll start off by taking a sheet of paper, fold the top and bottom edge over to make it in the center. Now diagonally fold it and then fold it into half. After this, insert one piece into the other, make about 4 to 5 of them, and then afterwards, make sure that each piece that you take, you insert it into the crevices that are present. Next, in order to do this, we'll start off by taking a little container, or it can be a little measuring cap. Now add earbuds on either side of it. Then afterwards, take some clay, make it into the cylindrical shape, and then wrap it all around the container. Take some tissue paper, crush it, add it to the top as such. Now take multiple balls of clay, stick them all around the sun. Now it should look like a little hot air balloon. Next, we'll start off by taking some tissue paper and afterwards fold it into this triangular shape. Fold it over multiple times and then make a curved cut to it. Using a marker, make these colors to it, and then once you open it out, this is what it should look like. Now, after this, take a container such as a cup and then cut out the base of it, add clay to it. Now, insert multiple of these colored papers, that is tissue papers, into it. Add a handle at the top of this, which can be the thicker edge of the cup. Next, in order to make this cubicle, we'll start off by taking some empty stapler pins that have not been used yet, and then afterwards begin to arrange it in the shape. As you can see, we have built a sort of wall to it, and now we are alternating between them, as this is the only way we can get in order to make it stay fastened in its place. Now once you reach the top portion of it, lift it up and then stick it in place, and then you should be left with this cubicle. Next, start off by taking an A4 size sheet and then make multiple horizontal folds to it. After this, take the top portion of it and fold it over, and then join it together in the center as such by making folds to it. Now make multiple of these, and then afterwards take another brown sheet of paper, fold it over on either end, make this small square cut to it, add lights within it as such, and then use tape to stick it in its place. Now add this fan-like structure that you have created and then turn on the lights. Now you should have this glow-in-the-dark book. Next, start off by taking this 1.5 by 10 centimeter strips of paper, fold them all around a circular sheet of paper. Now make these circular strips of paper out of a different color and then insert them. Now once you reach the top of it, fold it over downwards, and then afterwards add a little cloud-like shape to it. Add a handle at the top and then cut off the excess. Add a little broom beside it. Next, we'll start off by taking a sheet of paper, fold the top over. Before you do so, fold it into half. Fold over either side now, and then afterwards make these diagonal folds to it. Now, after this, fold it over at the bottom in order to make it like a bag. Taking the top, make a slit out of it, add some white paper behind it, and then make a V-shaped fold to it. Now make this little bow tie shape, and then add a yellow center to it. Stick it in the front. Take another strip, and then make it into the handles. Add these buttons to it as well. Start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally, and then once more. Now, once for the second fold over both the edges and make them crisscross. Now, once you open it up, this is what it should look like. Now, stick them overlapping as such. Make a cylindrical shape out of green paper. Afterwards, add the lollipop within it, and then stick your flower around it. Thank you for watching.